Focus on your breathing by taking deep, cleansing breaths in and out, in and out. With every breath, you relax a little more. The muscles in your face relax. Your neck and shoulders relax. All the cares of the day draining away harmlessly into the earth. Your arms relax. Your chest and upper back relax. All your cares and tension draining away through your feet, harmlessly into the earth beneath you. Your belly relaxes. The muscles in your lower back relax, releasing all the knots and tension. Your hips and buttocks relax, all the tension draining away. Your thighs relax. Your knees relax. Your lower legs relax. All the cares of the day, all but gone from your body. Your ankles and feet relax. All the cares of the day are gone. Imagine yourself outside at nighttime. You hear the wind rustling the leaves above you. You can hear little animals scurrying on the ground. You look up at the sky, the Father sky, and you see brilliant stars shining above you. There's one star in particular that shines brighter than all the rest. That is Father Sky. Open yourself to him. There's a singular beam of light coming from the sky above you, from Father Sky. That beam of light enters your body through the top of your head, goes down your back, down your torso, filling you as it goes, down your arms to your fingertips, past your hips, through your legs, and into the ground beneath you, into Mother Earth. You are filled with divine white light from Father Sky. Imagine that white light from Father Sky going down through the surface of the earth to meet with Mother Earth herself, down through the soil, down through rock, through bedrock, through crystal and cavern, until that brilliant white light reaches the core of the earth. Mother Earth senses you and sends back cool green energy to you, back out of the core of the earth, through crystal and cavern, through bedrock and rock, up through the soil into the soles of your feet, up your legs, up past your hips, into your torso, melding her energy, her cool green energy, with the energy of Father Sky. Down your arms to your fingertips, up through your shoulders, your neck, and up and out through the top of your head, reaching out to Father Sky. Your body is alive with the energies of Mother Earth and Father Sky connected with you. Their energies now mingle and become an ever-shifting sphere of energy in the center of your chest. A shifting yin and yang of earth and sky. Their energies bring you comfort, strength, calm, and love. You are protected. You have no care and you have no fear. The energies mingle until they become a brilliant light green light, and then they seep and sink into your heart. You know you can call upon these energies at any time. Anytime you feel the need for comfort, for strength, for stability. Anytime you feel overwhelmed, anytime you may feel anxieties, all your cares are gone whenever you call upon the energies of Mother Earth and Father Sky. Slowly come back to your common senses. Whenever you are ready, open your eyes.